In front of me is OUKITEL WP50, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon of a plus at the bottom left corner and hit Files to add an audio one. Now look for your file by tapping on Audio at the top, selecting one of those apps, or clicking on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, when you're ready, hold the chosen one and click on Select at the top right corner. If you want to add a video one, hit Gallery section. Look for your video here and click on it to add it. If you can't find it here, select Folders, tap on Albums, select Video and click on it here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!